There are so many opportunities waiting to be developed in real estate. Are you struggling to keep track of all the projects? Worried your team might miss a deadline, overlook a step, and lose an opportunity? Worried about information lost or left behind in all that commotion? We have your back with our land module designed to specifically help land development managers to be more efficient. So what does it do? You can have all development project data in one place. You can see all details records for each plot, building or flat, in one click. Track each project's milestones and easily construct Gantt charts. Keep all relevant documents like contracts just a click away. Visualize project data in practical interactive dashboards. Analyze them. Share reports with management. And benefit from synergies with other applications from our Square4 platform for real estate developers. Improve control over your land development projects with Square4 by Konica Minolta.